Hi friends, today we are going to start a new series on programming. So before we go into programming, we will learn what is programming, why. See, wherever you go, they will say C programming or Python or Java, but why we should learn this? What is the rule? What? Because uh, the basics of anything whatever you take in life, you should learn first the basics, right? In the same way, in programming also you need to understand what is the basic. So let's talk before that how what is importance of language. Okay, what is the importance of language? So what is importance of language? To communicate one person to another person. Say for example, there are two persons are there. There is a say called person is Ramu and another person is Shamu is there. Ramu wants to tell Shamu, today I am going to eat idli. No, Shamu will tell, no, you eat two idlis and two Mysore bondas. How he will tell? Through language. So how he will tell? Ramu will Shamu, hey Shamu, I am going to eat two idlis and two bondas, and Shamu will tell Ramu, no Shamu, you eat four puris. This is a script. Whenever the same thing will say in Telugu, hey, నేను ఈరోజు టూ పూరీస్ తింటున్నా, టూ బోనాస్ తింటున్నా. Whenever we say same thing in Hindi, we are saying in मैं आज दो बोना खाते, दो पूरी खाते, दो idli खाते. So the language has evolved. The rules has evolved. Like say Ramu, I am writing in R. For Telugu we will write in Ra. So these are we are able to understand it. How we are able to understand it? Because we are already trained with it. We have neural networks. Some cognitive science is there behind that. But computers is not like that. It built on based on zeros and ones. They are built on base memory, bits that is zeros and ones. Computer is totally built upon these bits only. Computer can understand zeros and ones. So what is the use of this programming language? So what is the use of the programming language is like, say for example, I say Python is there. Okay, Python. Okay, just Python is there. I wrote a piece of code, some lines of code here. Okay, there will be some interpreter for it. We call this interpreter. So we don't want to get into the details. So what I am trying to say you is like, so computer language doesn't understand zeros and ones. Now I want to design a code for it or software or anything, then how we can do it? So to do that we need a language called Python language or Java language or some programming languages. So you can call it as a middleman. How it is middleman? Say for example, I want to write a piece of code plus x. I add two variables, x plus y is equal to 15. Okay, this y is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10. Now how I am going to tell computer? Because computer can understand only zeros and ones. Okay, I don't understand how to write this piece of code in zeros and ones. So what I am going to do is like, I am using this middleman called Python, so that Python will make it for me to, I will write the syntax according to Python or Java. Sir, why I should write in Python or Java? Why can't I speak with the computer? Because it's not evolved to that much. Maybe in future generation, whenever we speak in something, it will also get some speaking language. Maybe we can call programming language. Once you speak it, it will be automatically converted into bits. But the basics of is like computer are designed on these bits. Okay, computer only understand these bits, and these programming languages like a middleman try to compile your code and transform into these bits and pieces of code, and it will make work for you.